we're here to give a glimpse of what lies behind anonymous doors in the Old Town, which is sometimes something very special, as is the case with this house. So this house actually, we sold it to the current owners as 2 plots. And this is one plot, and this was the other plot with a house in between. So it's quite unusual. And the plots actually joined at the back, but these were 2 separate owners. So we managed to negotiate with both of them for this owner to buy both plots and build a pretty stunning house. It's quite surprising when you come in through that door to find this open patio with a pool in the interior, and then you've got this fantastic bifolding doors which connect the inside to the outside. So you've got the kitchen dining area here, and then the formal sitting area, living room on the other side of this patio. We're actually now behind the second house, and behind this wall is the neighbor, or their patio actually. So just to give you an understanding of how this has been constructed. And then we come into the main living room for the main house. And they've used pressed concrete on the floor and used natural oak on all the kitchen carpentry. They've even got a dumbwaiter, which is great. That communicates with the roof, so you can cook something down here and then send it up to the roof. All of this area that we're now seeing is comprising the main house. So we've got a U coming like this, and then the neighbor sits in between. Okay, so it's got a Barbie area with outdoor dining, rooftop jacuzzi pool, and actually, incredibly, for the Old Town, you've got sea views, which is, I can count on one hand.